Congress just passed a major AI bill, and after reading all 247 pages, I need to tell you something disturbing. Roughly 90% of this legislation appears to have been written by industry lobbyists, and you can tell because of how it's structured. The bill is filled with vague definitions that leave massive loopholes, like defining AI systems so narrowly that most current technologies wouldn't even qualify for oversight. There are sections that read like they were copy-pasted from tech company white papers, using the exact same terminology and frameworks that lobbyists have been pushing in closed-door meetings for months. The enforcement mechanisms are deliberately weakened with phrases like voluntary compliance frameworks and industry-led standards, which essentially means companies get to regulate themselves. Meanwhile, the few provisions that could have provided real protection for consumers or workers are buried under layers of exceptions and carve-outs that make them essentially toothless. You can see the lobbyist fingerprints most clearly in Section 47, which creates a so-called oversight board that's majority filled with industry representatives who have direct financial interests in avoiding regulation. The bill also includes preemption clauses that prevent states from passing stronger AI regulations, which is a classic lobbying tactic to lock in weak federal standards. What's particularly telling is that meaningful provisions proposed by public interest groups, like algorithmic transparency requirements and independent auditing, were either stripped out entirely or watered down to the point of irrelevance. This isn't conspiracy theory, it's just how the legislative process works when one side has unlimited resources and access while ordinary citizens are locked out of the room where the actual writing happens.